Aiming to preserve the last Hurricane built, Hawkers purchased the aircraft back from the Air Ministry and kept it in storage at Langley. In 1950, PZ-865 was entered into the King's Cup air race by Her Royal Highness Princess Margaret, flown by Crew Captain Peter Townsend, which achieved second place. During the 1960s, PZ was returned to its wartime camouflage scheme and made numerous display appearances, often in the hands of the famous fighter pilot and test pilot Bill Bedford. It also appeared in the film The Battle of Britain. Still airweighted out of nearly 7,400 that were built. A flying memorial to those who served in the RAF Bomber Command and those who tragically lost their lives. This year, we also remember Operation Chastise, known as the Dam Busters Raid, which took place 80 years ago this year. PA-474 was built at the Vickers Armstrong Broughton factory in Harden in 1945 at the end of the war and did not see any operational service. The aircraft joined the BBMF in 1973, making this her 50th year with us. PA-474 was officially adopted by the City of Lincoln in 1975 and permission was granted for the aircraft to display the coat of arms and the name of the city on its nose. PA-474 is currently painted on its port side as Lancaster W5005 ARL Leader, with nose art depicting a kangaroo in miner's boots playing the bagpipes, representing the mixed nationalities of the crew at the time. On the starboard side, PA-474 wears the 50 Squadron code letters BNT, which were the code letters of the aircraft in which Flying Officer Dougie Milliken flew 27 of the 35 operations on his tour with 50 Squadron. He was the grandfather of former OC BBMS Andy Milliken, and we are very proud to have the Lancaster PA-474 based at Conisbee in Lincolnshire, the very heart of Bomber County. latest of our activity, you can of course find us on social media. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram at RAFBBMF and on Facebook at bbmf.official. You can also come and visit us on our PR team who are here at the show, just in front of the tower, and we can answer any of your questions. As the Lancaster comes round for his final pass, we have been the Battle of Britain Memorial flight, and we hope that you have enjoyed our display here today in Blackpool. I will leave you with one final thought, which is our flight motto: lest we forget.
I told you that it would make the hairs on the back of your neck stand up.